Some pastor in Jamaica upon Sunday morning.
Mighty God. Deacon Brown, you might tell me say so much people in here. If you call like your friend now, come in, no me see back some of them people here. Are they your cricket them here? God says he will give back to you. Pressed down, shaken together, and running over. So shake out your bag, shake out your purse, shake out your wallet. I say I have a word today that is going to shake you like you've never been shook before. I'm gonna shake my hands with them. Shake them, Lord. I'm gonna tell all the people good. Oh yeah. Look by your neighbor and say, neighbor, a little shaking can you come here? Like an earthquake can you come here, neighbor? Well, tell them welcome, 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 welcome to the house of the Lord. Me say some of you, matter of fact, enough of you, you afraid. Per Monday, when the place did a shake it, a shake it, a shake. But me have a message for you. Me did afraid too. My God, some of the young boy, love talk about never shake it, never shake it. So that the Monday morning boy, he shaky boy. If I never feel like an earthquake, nothing wouldn't know what it sound like to hear Jesus. Out of the mouth, hear Jesus, 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 Jesus. When God said to move, turn up now. Turn up now. You got to move. You got to move when God gets ready. You got to. If you're not there afraid, me I tell you nothing not yet, because the Lord shall return in the blinking of an eye. Whether you hear them walk more them shit. Somebody say hallelujah.